Hello!
Hola!
Hi, this is Jonathan here, co-founder at BochaSweet, and we're not going to let Hispanic Heritage Month end without sharing the delicious, keto-friendly, sugar-free recipe.
My name is Adriana and I'm Jonathan's wife, and I am also Hispanic. I'm from Colombia. So the recipe we're gonna do today is specifically my favorite treat when I was a child, and I'm sure you guys love it too. So we're gonna make churros.
Churros!
Churros.
Churros. Sounds good to me, so let's get this going.
Alright, let's get started. So these are the ingredients we're gonna need. The first thing you want to do is heating up some oil in a pan. It could be coconut oil. We used avocado oil this time. So you're going to heat it up, and then you're going to start mixing the dry ingredients. The almond flour, the psyllium husk, the gelatin, the salt, and the baking powder. And we're going to whisk it all.
So we just added the dry ingredient. So what's next?
Next, the wet ingredients: the eggs, the cream, the butter, and the vanilla.
So we're gonna actually now add this into a pastry bag. And so I'm very excited to finally try churros sweetened with our BochaSweet sweetener. Check it out on BochaSweet.com. You'll learn everything about it. Derived from 100% kombucha extract, 0 calories, 0 glycemic, and it won't spike your blood sugar. Wow, so we just made some churros. Did I say it right?
That was close.
Alright, I'm getting better. So what we did ahead of time is we combined BochaSweet with some cinnamon, and here is the cinnamon and BochaSweet mixture right here. And we're just gonna dunk the churro into here, and it's gonna be nice and delicious. So let's go ahead. You ready?
Oh yes, more than ready.
So we're just gonna go like this and dunk it. You now have some delicious gluten-free, sugar-free, keto-friendly, and diabetic-friendly churro, all without the blood sugar spike. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and stay tuned for more recipe content coming your way at BochaSweet.com.
Thanks for watching us. Gracias por vernos y feliz mes de la herencia hispana. So good.
So good. Yummy.